Wouldn't it be great if there were some sort of test you could take to predict which medications are most likely to work best for you personally, and which ones could hurt you with an adverse reaction? Good news, there is such a test, and although you probably haven't heard of it, it's not some out-of-reach possibility for future use. It's starting to pop up at medical centers around the country. Just as your genes determine traits like eye color and whether you have dimples or freckles, they also influence the way each individual reacts to medications. That's one big reason that a particular drug might work well and cause no problems for one person, might not have any helpful effect in another, and pose a life-threatening risk to someone else. The drug response test, known as PGX, uses a small sample of a patient's saliva to look for genetic differences in their DNA that could show whether a drug is likely to be effective, whether it is likely to cause side effects, and what the best dose is for that person. Future tests will certainly improve and add more genes. PGX testing is already available in some places and is now available as an in-home test. Does Medicare cover it? Medicare will pay for the test. PGX testing is an emerging field, so many insurance plans have started covering it. A recent study by Cigna Insurance Company found that 1 in 4 patients has a drug-gene association that poses a serious risk. Because PGX tests your DNA, some might worry about privacy issues. Be assured that Federal Law 31 prohibits any use of genetic information by health insurers or employers. Here are 5 more things you should know about PGX testing. 1. It is likely that the results of taking the test one time will be useful for drugs in the future. 2. The test itself takes 2 minutes, but it can take anywhere from 5 to 14 days for a lab to process it and provide results. 3. The testing covers over 330 commercial drugs, including all FDA black box drugs. These medications have been linked with serious or life-threatening side effects. 4. There is also a huge saving in patient healthcare costs, as it eliminates trial and error prescribing plus the costs of hospitalizations for adverse drug reactions. 5. Once recommended, based on a short survey, your test kit will be sent to you free of charge and comes with complete instructions and a post-paid return package to send to the lab. Why does a drug work miracles for one person and cause harm, or even death, in another person? With this test, you don't have to answer that question.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I'd thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.